Of all the most interesting stories in the Bible is the story of Jonah. And I hope you have read it. Jonah was one of the most reluctant prophets. He had determined in his heart just not to obey the word of the Lord, not to obey God. He wanted to do things on his own way. So he disobeyed God and went in a different direction, and ultimately God had to stop him. He sent a big whale to swallow him up, and the Lord spoke to the whale, we vomited him up, and then finally Jonah obeyed. Many times God has to stop us, but we need to understand that it is God who is interrupting our lives. So ultimately Jonah the prophet went to Nineveh, preached to them, and the whole city repented, turned to the Lord, and there was a great revival. And they turned from their wicked ways and believed on the God of Jonah. The people of Nineveh were the enemies of Israel, and that was one of the reasons why Jonah was not willing to go there. But ultimately he obeyed the Lord and he went. He had a revival. Bodily, he went in the right direction, but his heart was not right. He was still upset with God. Why the people repented? Why God saved them? You can go in the right direction, do the right things, but still your heart may not be right. But God looks at the heart, and that is what is important. It is not what we do, in which direction we are going, and how many people are touched and blessed by our lives. What things are happening, but where our heart is, because that is what God is looking for. He looks on the inside. The Bible says man looks on the outward appearance, but God looks on the heart. So check up your heart today. You may be doing things in the right way. You may be moving in the right direction in life. But is your heart right with God? Is your heart moving in the right direction? This is Pastor Joseph Chirsat, and hope this has been an encouragement to you. You can send in your comments and your replies, and I'll be glad to hear from you. See you next time.